Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jelena Elise. Today for dinner, I'm having my crispy oven baked barbecue chicken. If you want to know how I got oven baked barbecue chicken crispy, stay tuned for the recipe. Alright, so I have my chicken here that's already been cleaned, and I want to thank my mom for cleaning it for me this morning. Thank you, Ma. So the first thing I'm going to do is season it with my Greek all-purpose, and then I'm going to go in with my garlic powder, and lastly with my pepper. Now remember, season your chicken to your liking. Use as much or as little as you want. Alright, so now I'm going to place my chicken in baking powder to achieve the crispiness that I am looking for after it bakes. So I'm just putting the chicken inside of a plastic bag. It's a plastic Ziploc bag. And I'm just going to shake it up. I'm making a mess. That's okay. And after you've done this, once the chicken has finished baking, you should have a nice crispy piece of chicken. And I also use this method for my air fried chicken as well, and I have attached the card so you guys can see that video of my air fried chicken. So now I'm going to place my chicken in the oven at 375 degrees for 1 hour. My chicken has finished baking for an hour, and now I'm ready to coat it with the barbecue sauce. Alright, so now I'm going to coat my chicken with my Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And I have to say, hands down, that this is my favorite barbecue sauce. This is some of the best barbecue sauce I think that is on the market. And I get this economy bottle from Kroger for about $7. And I say it's worth it because it lasts me for some time. And I'm just going to coat each piece of chicken. And I'm just going to use a spatula to spread the barbecue sauce throughout. And this is the first coat. So after I coat with the first coat, I'm going to place my chicken back into the oven for 325 degrees for 10 minutes. And this is just to let the barbecue sauce cook onto the chicken, because my chicken is already done. So I'm not trying to get it more done or burn it. I just want my barbecue sauce to just cook onto the chicken. Alright, so now I've added my second coat of barbecue sauce to my chicken, and I'm just going to spread it evenly on the chicken. And then I'm going to put it back in the oven for only 5 minutes, no longer, because I do not want burnt chicken. I just want my barbecue sauce to cook on the chicken a little bit, and that's it. And then it will be time to eat as soon as this chicken gets out the oven. Alright, so here's the final product, my crispy oven baked barbecue chicken. I've also made my plate for you guys because I am ready to sit down and eat. I have some boiled cabbage, some corn, some Jiffy cornbread, I love that stuff, and some brown rice. I've come to the end of this video, and I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Hope you all can see yourselves making it in the near future. If so, definitely let me know how it comes out for you. Also, I want to thank everyone for their support. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. Truly appreciate it. Also, there will be new videos every Wednesday and Friday at 1 p.m. Also, if you enjoy this recipe and you want to see others, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.